Welcome to Four Moms for Success. Your host for tonight, Mayfloor, Maribel, Geraldine, and Roxanne.
Hi,
Hello, everyone.
Evening.
everyone. Welcome to Four Moms for Success. And we are here again, once again. It's a Monday, so another show of ours that I hope you will get some value and also think about this digital business that we have. So this is May Santa Ana. I'm a nurse by profession. I am also a mom of two, a proud digital entrepreneur, and of course, we are here. And Sis Roxanne, please introduce yourself.
Hi, good evening, good afternoon, good morning. I'm Roxanne from Seattle. Mom, a wife, a property accountant by profession, and a proud digital business owner. Go ahead, Sister Lynn.
Hello, everyone. Happy Monday. Again, my name is Geraldine Carrera. I'm originally from Bacolod City, Philippines, now residing in North Carolina, USA. I'm a registered nurse by profession, a mom of two, and of course, a proud nursepreneur. Go ahead, Sis Belle.
Yes, hello once again, and it's Monday. I'm so happy to be with my three lovely ladies, business partners, and my accountability partners. We are live once again. Before anything else, I just want to introduce myself. My name is naglalag yung ano ko. Did you feel it? It looks like I'm lagging. No, I'm good. My name is Maribel Palarca, and I am the face behind Maribel M Palarca business page, a mom of two, a physical therapist, and of course, I was about to say nursepreneur. No, I'm a physical therapist, and originally from Cagayan de Oro City, Philippines. And me and my family are now presently residing here in Louisiana, USA. Thank you, Sis May. Back to you.
Yes, back to me. And before we go for our questions and answer this evening, I would like to ask Sis Roxanne to invite our viewers and followers regarding, hi, Coach Ella,
Welcome.
regarding our no cost webinar tomorrow and Thursday. Sis Roxanne.
So, thank you, Sis May. We're inviting you to watch our webinar tomorrow. It's going to be at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, 7 p.m. Central. Eastern is 8 p.m. Sorry, I keep forgetting the time zones. It's global, so just check your time zone and register to any of our website. We'll send you the link for the workshop. And replay is also available. If you are unable to attend, you can watch the replay at your convenience. Thank you.
Thank you, Sis Roxanne. And of course, if you are in the Philippines or in the Asian countries, our workshop will be at 8 in the morning. No, see, Wednesday and Friday. There you go. So our it's gonna be an interesting topic again that we will justify the answer about the questions of our inquiries. Sometimes we get this popular questions. That's why we are trying to answer in this show in order for you to be enlightened regarding this matter of our digital business. So sino bang mauna? Si Sis Roxanne pala. Hi, Sis Roxanne. For your question, this is one of the questions that I always get it from my inquiries. Can I run the business even while traveling?
Definitely, we can run this business while we are traveling because this business is very portable with the use of your cell phone or laptop. As long as you have Wi Fi, you can run this business anywhere. And we also leverage the automation. It's so even while you're sleeping, your business is running in the background 24/7. And we thank the back end office for everything that they do for us for the because this business is that's how we leverage the system. Thank you.
Yes, thank you for your answer, Sis Roxanne. And of course, as Sis Roxanne said, definitely you do your business while traveling, not like a traditional business that you go for to the office and do the things in there. But in our business, as she said, as long as you have the Wi-Fi, your gadgets, which is your cell phone on your laptop, you can do this business even you are in the airport, even you are in other country or in your you are on vacation, as long as a good Wi-Fi will be there. Coffee shop. So sometimes you will see us have pictures in the one of the brand's coffee shop, that because we are able to do that particular business that we have anywhere and anytime. Next question. Ho, ho, ho. Who will be? Ding, 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 ding. Sis, I think this is Sis Maribel. What made you say yes to this business?
Sorry. I was trying to, I'm so sorry because I was trying to check something. I think I sent some documents to the wrong group. We were talking about that Dolly Parton banana nut muffins. I sent it to the wrong group, but that's fine. That's okay. That's how life is. But going back to the question, what made you say yes to this business? Actually, that is very interesting topic because people have different reasons why this started the business, and most likely, I'm so sorry. I couldn't laugh. I stopped laughing. But for me, I only have three reasons. I have three reasons why I said yes to this business. It's like getting married. Why did you say yes to that person? But why did I say yes to this business? I have three reasons. Number one is my family. Yeah, that's the number one thing why I started this business. It is for my family. For a mom who used to work 2 to 3 extra jobs on top of my full-time job, and who really wants to be with my family, but then I could not because I was trying to trade my time with my family with work, because like life is hard. We always say life is hard. You really have to think about the things that you have to do at present so that you can save something for the future. And then the more you work and the more things, the time that you've been praying for, nawawala. It's like it's getting shorter and shorter, and you miss a lot of times. And that's one thing why I really, really started this business, because I think of my family. When I was younger, my parents have this traditional business, and they take good care of us financially, but one thing that was lacking was the time with us. So, and I don't want that to, I love my parents, they love us, they really work for us, but then with my family, now that I can make a change, I can because of this business, I cannot just like earn money for their future, but also I have the time to be with them while I'm doing this business. That's why I'm so thankful, and that is the reason why I strive hard to find a business that would really make me achieve both time and of course financial stability. And I found that in this business, and I'm so thankful for that. The second one is the ability to be flexible. Like if I had my 2 to 3 jobs before, I have the money, but I'm always away. The time is not there. I always have to clock in, clock out, go drive to another job, and then clock in and clock out. With this business, I don't have to do that, because it's the real meaning of anytime, anywhere really works in this business. You can really say, I'm so proud to say that the work anytime, anywhere really exists in this business. And that's what made me say yes, because like one thing, like, hey, do you think we can do this everywhere, anytime, anywhere? And then if that, and it answered yes, and then that's why I'm here. I have this business. And the one thing that I'm really proud of is the flexibility, because it is made possible because of our automated system, right? It is made possible of our proven automated system. You will hear that if you've been an audience, you've been listening to or watching us for months now, you will always hear us saying automated system, automated system, automated system. But it is really true. But that's why, like, what really is automated system? Actually, I can say, let's say, if I know a lot of us loves coffee, right? A lot of us loves coffee. A lot of us wants to make coffee. But then when you say automated system, it's just like this. It's like making a coffee, but then you don't have to harvest the beans. You don't have to grind the beans. You don't have to boil the water. You don't have to do anything from scratch, but rather you just have to press a button to make the coffee. And that is how automated system works. And that's why this business is very, very flexible. Now, I didn't understand that before until I started doing the what's this the training, and then I really experienced the effect and the awesomeness of the automated system, and I love it so much. So it's just like making coffee, but you don't have to make from scratch, but rather you just have to press the button, and everything will just the coffee will just start filling your cup, right? And the third one is like, I really wanted, I think I really just want change. You know, when you've been working for years, because you've been working for years, you soon realize that as you grow older, your goals in life, what you want in life, really change. It changes. It changes. Like just like having a lot. You know, when you were younger, you have a lot of friends, but then we start growing older, you find only security in few people. Just like this, when I was younger, I can manage to work 2 to 3 jobs in a week, extra jobs in a week. But when you grow older, you soon realize that I value my time more, I value my mental health more, I value my health more. And that's why you have to I look for something that would really meet my goal, my what I value. Because before, like, basta may pera, okay lang yan. But then when you grow older and you're having your kids are getting bigger, you try to look for something that aligns with your values and what your needs. And that is very important. That's why, and this business has offered those, aligns with my values, aligned with my needs for my family and for my future. That's why I said yes to this business. And those are the three things. I know a lot of us, Sis Jerlene, Sis May, or Sis Roxanne, you also have different reasons why you said yes to the business. But for me, those are the three important things. And I found it I was able to find it in through this business. That's why I have this business. I've been running this business for years because this business has aligned with what I want with my future and with my family. Yan lang po. Thank you.
Thank you, Sis Belle. And you said it all actually, because I think most of us business partners in this business, they really looking for the flexibility and also the time for their family. Because as we all know, in our generation, our parents, they go for work and work and work in order for those for their children to have a brighter future, right? And sometimes I'm sorry to say, but sometimes parents are not realizing that the kids also want their time, right? Because I know they can give us the education, they can give us everything that we want, but sometimes we also want their time for us. That's the thing that it was left when we are in kids. And now we can change that particular way, that we can have this particular business that can help us to gain more time and spend more time with our family. And of course, as Sis Belle said also, regarding your time for yourself, because as we all know, when we came here, when I came here actually in America, that's the norm, like three particular part-time, juggling part-time jobs and your full-time. And that's the norm of the Filipinos, because we all know that they have to save something for their future, they have to save for their bills, they have to save something for their family back home. But if this particular business can give that to us, why not try this business, right? So those things, we change that. We change that particular area in our life now, as the four of us is doing, because we are now having time for our family. We have time for ourselves, as we value, as this Maribel said, we value our mental health, most of it. And of course, as we grow older, there's a lot of aches in our body now, so we value to take care of ourselves, because no one will take care of us if you don't take care of yourself first, right? So, and of course, the financial stability that we want to have, and the best thing in this business that we have is the 8 generations that you can pass it on to your family. Okay, so And of course, Sis Jardine. Da, 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 da.
Sis, I just want to say, yeah, before
Oh,
anything
hi,
else,
Sis Sharon.
this is Sharon from California.
Thank you,
Thank you
thank you,
for
thank you.
watching.
Our very supportive
Supportive.
business partner, and also our dear Coach Ellis with us earlier. So, of course, number 4 question, and I think, yeah, most of this particular questions that we are giving answers are the one that we are actually getting from our inquiries. So, what kind of people usually join this business? Sis Jerlene?
All right. So yes, well, as you can see, we are just like ordinary people from all walks of life that are taking this step because dreams doesn't discriminate. So most of the time, it's like the ordinary people just like us, that have big dreams, because we are looking for something different. So this business is all the walks of life. There's like ordinary people, low income to no income to high income. So there's no difference in this business. The only different is, I mean, there. So it's the ordinary people wanted the change. It's because, of course, like financial stability, and then like those people that are already have a higher income, like we're telling you, there's like doctors, dentists. We actually have one of our top leaders that has her own, she's a dentist, and she has her own dental clinic. And the reason why she joined this business is not because of the money, because if we're talking about financial assets, she already has those one. She already have the money. Everything are stable. But then she doesn't have the time. That's what she shared with us. She doesn't have the time for her family because she has to manage the clinic. She has to be there. So she is looking for time freedom. And then some ordinary people that have, compared to the other people that have like a little low income to no income, even like the stay at home mom that doesn't work, join this business because they want financial freedom. And then now they see the potential of our business that they can earn while just staying at home. So yes, don't be pressured that, oh, I can't do computer, I can't speak in public, because there's a lot of like-minded people in the community, and it's gonna rub off on you. It's kumbaga sa atin sa Filipino, nakakahawa yung walang kahiyaan. So, and then most especially, like, we have to be in the trend, like the social media. Before, we don't have social media, we don't have this opportunity. If we want to earn money, we have to work. And of course, back in the Philippines, if we work, we need to have a degree for us to work, because even like us professionals, even me as a registered nurse, it took me a while to find a job. So, right. But then with this trending use, nowadays, this generation, we're using social media to earn income. So let's use the social media to gain financial or time freedom, whatever your goal is. So yes, most of us here are ordinary people, and all we have is just the big dreams for our family.
Yes, that's true. Ordinary people, everyday people are able to start this kind of business. It's not the degree, it's not the skills that you have, but it's the willingness, your determination, and the focus that you will have in this business that makes you successful and to grow this business. And of course, sometimes they said, you are already a nurse, why you have to start this business? You are already a doctor, why did you start this business? You are already an engineer, why did you start this business? Common denominator, time, because they want to value that time for their family. As we all know, if you are an employee, most of your time is already eaten by your job, right? So those particular areas, because we need to work in order for us to have something to pay for our bills, for our mortgage, and to save something. But if you are able to give if you are able to start a business that can give you time while working, at least this business will you will do it like 30 to 2 hours is the max. If you want more, you can do it, but the thing is you control your time in here. You don't have to give the 8-hour shift of your time in order this business to grow. But the thing is you have to focus also in this business, because if you start a business like this and you don't do anything, nothing will happen, because this business you need to take action, meaning you have to do your training, you have to be with your accountability partners, you have to discover your skills. You have already the skills, but sharpen that skills, because that skills or talent that you have can grow you personally and can grow your business. So that's the sometimes that's the dilemma in starting a business. Sometimes they said, I started already. How come I did not have any success story yet? Because you haven't started actually the business. You just start, but you did not do your duty as a business owner or a entrepreneur. So being a business owner or entrepreneur in the digital space, you have to study also the business, because that's how you gonna share these blessings that you have to other people, because you will educate them also that it's not only a job that can give them security, but a business that will be the one to give them the security and of course the financial stability in the future and in the present time. Anything else, mga sisters?
Oh, hold on. We just want to say hi to our coach Ella watching from Arizona. Hi coach. Thank you for being with us. Thank you, thank you. And look at what she said. Look at keep rocking y'all ladies. Thank
Yes.
you. Well, I think I just want to say like because like this is not really not quite related to the question and answer, but I just want to congratulate all four of us for all the
Yeah,
milestones that we have achieved this month.
thank
I
you.
know like this is truly a very good group. This is truly an amazing group, and I truly call you my accountability partners, because we don't just grow each one like separately, but we are like grow as a group.
Yes.
We lift ourselves up. We start. Support each other, and then like we are not when we give advice because it is for your own good. We don't like just okay whatever. We don't shy away with like giving you advice, because we know that as a group we will grow, and as a group we will really like be successful. And in fact we already think of what to wear for next year, whatever and all when we reach our milestones. And ladies, I just want to say thank you for the three of you who've been very supportive. You made me a better person. You made me a better business partner and a business owner. And I love three of you. And thank you. Let's just support each other. And congratulations again on our milestones. And we did it, all four of us. And
Yes.
really rock this and we are so thankful for all the people who've been supporting us through all these years. I think for like 3 years now, sis May.
Yes,
And
yes.
then this group has been growing stronger, and we are growing not just in numbers, but we are growing in what we learn. We are growing in what we share. And thank you so much. Thank you. Congratulations po sa ating akbat.
Well, congratulations. It's September and we are all have the milestone in this business.
Yes.
Yeah, there's
Yes.
nothing
Yeah.
else that
Yeah.
I can.
See, Sharon said, congratulations, ladies, on your
Thank you,
milestone.
sis.
Thank you,
Keep
guys.
rocking. Thank you. Oh my God, you're so good. Oh, tapos na. Ikaw yun.
Sister Darlene, anything else to say?
Let me see what else I can think of. But yes, guys, we are not showing, this one just for you for us to for you to join us. I mean, it's up to you. See, business is not for everybody, but if you want to change your life, this is something that a reasonable change. So take a look at itself and decide. But we're not forcing anybody to join our business because, as what I said, like um, business is not for everybody. So it's for like selected people. But um, you can push yourself if you really want some change.
Sis Roxanne?
And this business is for anyone over 18. It doesn't matter what your age is or any education. You just need to take a leap of faith to start because you have nothing to lose but a lot to gain. In this business, you it's the possibilities are endless.
That is true. And yeah, the possibilities are endless and limitless. If you are doubting yourself, you have to believe in yourself because nothing will change if you don't believe first in yourself. This business help us to remove that doubt in ourselves because I know myself. I have a big self doubt, but because of this business, it changed 360 degrees of my belief in myself. And of course, the thing is the determination, the decision making that I'm having right now is way better than the decision making that I had before. I'm the person that like, I'll do this, ay hindi na lang. I do this, ay hindi na. But this time, there is really a determination. If I want to do this, I have to taking action talaga. You have to focus. I know it's hard in the beginning because we are not all businesses. When we start this business, we are not business owners. We started in what they call this one without knowledge about the business, but we are so proud to say that the training that we have in here is really a user friendly and you are able to understand. So if you are curious about what we are saying, we are inviting you for tomorrow. We have a workshop that it's going to happen. As Seth Jordan says, it's not for all, but you are welcome to learn about the workshop or the webinar that we have. And probably in there, you will change your mind and the seed in your heart will start to grow and say, I think this business is also for me. So if we can do it, so you can. Okay. God bless. Hello, Kuya John. Thank you for watching.
Thank you.
I think to wrap up this 4 months for success show for tonight. Thank you again, and we'll see you on Monday.
Monday. Yes.
Hey,
For the
new
rest
month,
of the week,
A new
everyone.
month. Yep.
new month next
Oh
week.
yeah.
Oh, yeah. All right. I know. All
Yes.
right.
See you again
Bye.
next month.
Excited na naman ang ating business. Exciting.